we gotta
Leave that
evacuate.
backpack. Come on.
Leave the backpack. Oh my gosh. This is... Get in. The emergency door.
Come on, baby.
Okay. Oh no. Can we... Oh,
Okay,
I
good
gotta
job.
freaking fail. Stupid. Oh.
What in the world?
What is wrong with you?
You don't look like you're going to run into the door. Hey, are you Cameron?
I was blinded with the bus light.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Did you hurt your back?
Nah.
Okay. Go back on the bus and get your bag.
Okay. Okay, they turn off the emergency. Okay.
And y'all, now you can go. Thank you, y'all done good.
Okay.
Mr. Johnny, you can stand.
Okay, we just had to do a bus evacuation. And that'll be it, guys. Okay, we're doing a tornado drill. Face against the wall. Face against the wall.
Alright, against the wall, Peyton. Take your hood off.
Face against the wall.
Hey, y'all need to scoot down. Hey, y'all scoot this way.
Okay. Okay, we'll be back. We'll be back after this tornado drill is over. Face against the wall. So this is literally a tornado drill.
Yes, you can. Turn around. Evan, turn around. Turn around. Face wall. Ontario.
You American like you just
Find a spot along the wall.
Okay, you gotta be kidding me. Every time we gotta do this in this freaking tornado situation. You have to be under a tornado drill. Hey, can someone please ask me when is this tornado drill is gonna be over?
How many more minutes left?
Don't worry about that.
My my head is gonna be hurting after this point, bro.
Just talked about that.
You gotta be kidding me. Freaking tornado.
It was so early, I came straight here.
Seniors, pipe down, pipe down.
I swear to God, if this principal is holding this, bro, I swear to God, I'm about to beat them up.
Several in the South that you've seen on television. You will put your hands over your head, lock your fingers, arms and elbows to cover your face from flying debris. So make sure that you are able to listen for instruction. You should not be talking. You should be listening. We have had several major tornadoes in the South. And we haven't gotten to the heart of the tornado season yet. So we practice this to take this seriously. So you're doing a great job, but remember, if we give the instruction that we are in the sights of a tornado, you will cover your head down and put your arms to cover the sides of your face. Okay? That's very important. Very important. Great job. Great job.
Hold it, hold it.
Get me out of here. Okay, the tornado trail's over. Okay, get me out of here.
Good job, Miss Hardison.
Freak out of here.
Careful.
I'm never doing this tornado trail again. I'm sick and tired of this. Yeah, I'm out of here. Bye-bye.